In this video, I'll show you how to fix the can't accept Discord invite issue that stops you from joining a server. If this helps, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more fixes. Start by copying the Discord invite link you received. Then, open the Discord app and click the Add a Server button on the left. Choose Join a Server, paste the invite link in the box and tap Join Server. If that doesn't work, try doing the same steps on the Discord website. Go to discord.com, click Login in the top corner and sign in. If you're already logged in, click Open Discord. From here, tap Add a Server, choose Join a Server and paste the invite again. Still not working? Try using a different browser. Paste the invite link into the address bar and hit enter. This can help if the issue is related to your browser settings or cookies. You can also check if the server is discoverable. On the left panel in Discord, click Explore Public Servers. Type the name of the server in the search box. If it's a public server, you will see a preview. Tap Join Server at the top. If you still can join, the invite link may be expired. Ask someone in the server to send a new invite. They can do this by clicking the server name at the top, selecting Invite People and copying the link. They need the Create Invite permission to do this. Another possibility is that you've been banned from the server. In that case, you'll need to contact a moderator or admin and ask to be unbanned. Some servers have verification requirements, such as age limits or security checks. To join, make sure you verified your email, your account is at least 5 minutes old, you've been a member for 10 minutes, and you've added a phone number to your account if needed. After checking all these steps, you should now be able to accept a Discord invite and join the server. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.